Welcome back to my garage. So I've done a lot of DIY TikToks over the last year, over 250 to be exact. And I was having lunch with a friend the other day and she brought to my attention that although the content I've made so far is okay, I still haven't made any content in Spanish yet. And my response to her was, "You're right, I haven't. But that's mainly because I don't speak Spanish, so how could I then do a TikTok in Spanish?" She said, "That's where you're wrong, because anyone can speak Spanish." And I kid you not, she puts her hand on my forehead and she starts to mumble a few words to herself in Spanish, and then she says to me as clear as day, "Speak." Y en ese momento aprendí que ella tiene mucha razón. Me gustaría presentarme. Yo soy Neilthegarageguy. Y si quieres aprender cómo alegrar más cosas en la casa, sígame. Porque en este canal vamos a hacer muchos proyectos en la casa. Entonces, nos vemos.